Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Forensic Lady, My Dear Forensic Lady. Chapter 78, so here it is. Let's read the story. Hey guys, I think this is chapter 76. Author put chapter 78. So let's wait if she can able to put it back on 76. Right now, Song Yu-hang was going inside in the office. Well, after practicing with Linian. Right now, of course, she got really worried. Seems that Linian, she got really furious. Well, thanks to Linian, don't need to participate in the afternoon design competition. But she looks very angry. What should I do? Well, of course, she got really worried. To coax it later, she noted to herself that Linian, she will put a face on her. Now, it really makes sense. It's worrying how to coax Linian later. Now, the colleague, she went inside to see her, probably to check her. If her face, it was still okay and fine. Now, she was searching. Yo, what about the online team? How to make girls happy. She was searching everything. This girl, she don't know what to do. She was searching everything online. Her colleague, it seems that she is going to tease her so much. Now, she looks really distracted. With that colleague at her, staring at her, also watching her. She got really distracted. Now, let's see. Song Yuhang is asking, is there any problem? Nothing. Forensic Lin is the pathology laboratory and asked me to come over to send the documents. Says that Song team does not need to show it to her after signing it. Oh, I see. You can go back. Song Yuhang said to this man. Well, correct. That's you, just. Well, right now, since these men are within the department of Linian, that's why right now seeing Song Yuhang, maybe she want to tease her so much. Look at the man. Seems that he really want to check her. Don't worry. What should I do? Oh no. See you too. Well, this man continued to laugh so hard in the face of Song Yuhang. Well, one of colleagues right now. She came to. Really? Did you really see Team Song searching for those? Now, everything is spreading. Especially how Song Yuhang wants to solve this. Right now, the colleague. Now, it really makes sense. Can we still be fake? Team Song like that. So Forensic Lin is really amazing, both men and women. No, it's just Team Song getting along with Forensic Dr. Lin. It's okay for my sister-in-law. Right now, Sister Lin. Suddenly, the three of them got surprised. Linian is going to Steffi. Linian is asking the three. Oh, definitely. But right now, Song Yuhang going out. It's perfect timing. You can able to see Linian passing by the corridor. She was wearing the gorgeous outfit. Now, she's going back home. Song Yuhang, she is trying to stop her. She was still holding her phone. Now, she was about to call her. But she's the one who's getting dialed up. Now, after seeing that, Linian, she got really furious. Looking at her face, it seems that she is going to explode. Well, probably, she won't really forget that she got defeated today. And it was Song Yuhang. She was carrying her bag and she was humming. Well, she really ignored her. Also, her phone. Turns out, she's really forgetting that she was holding her phone. It was getting error. And it was settled. See you at 8 on Milan. The evening, Linian will also go. I will pick you up at that time. Oh, finally, Song Yuhang said good. Right now, in Song Yuhang house. Sister, you're just going to have a meal. Don't you have to be so grand? She was with her mother and her little niece. Oops, this is not an ordinary date. Anyway, it's the other party's birthday. You have to say it a little bit dressed up. Your sister is right. Fortunately, Lynn doesn't care about this. It's not bad for you. But right now, I really want to dress her up, but of course. Well, I'll listen to you. Now, it really makes sense. She really did not do it. Look at her. Oh, I remember the things. She really threw the note. She's not following her orders. She really ignored her. Well, what is she going to do right now? I was tight at the time, and when you came out, you disappeared. I've been looking for you a long time, but I don't dare to go in and ask for you for it. She really did not do it. This girl, she is really getting jealous. Getting closer on Ninian. Delaying your business. How is your colleague? Right now, it was lost. Song Yuhang said to her sister-in-law. But her sister-in-law, it seems to be good at acting. After dinner, Shinsing, Hugo, and Asha Wei. Yuhang, you can eat and go to. An empty stomach. Right now, of course. You say Linian, that's why right now. It's almost 7:30. But she will go 8 o'clock. I'll drive myself and have to leave early. Oh, finally, she already arrived at Milan's bar. Well, this time, finally, she really came in time. Now, she's entering on the bar. Well, it seems that there's a lot of people inside. Linian. When she came in, there's someone who's dancing on the dance floor. Everyone seems to be happy. Oh, they're really cheering. Who's dancing on the dance floor? Turns out it was Linian. She's doing a full dance. This girl, she is really getting freaky. Song Yuhang seeing her like that. She don't know what to do. Seeing Linian can able to dance like that. And also, maybe, that there's a lot of people can able to see her like that. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by a Ko-Fi. Thank you, Marian. Thank you for joining membership today.